A forgotten screen lock. Unlocked easily with For You key for Android. Many people often forget their phone's lock screen password, and then there's trouble after trouble. You can't use your phone. Then you do a factory reset from recovery mode and end up with an FRP lock. The trouble gets even worse, because you also don't remember your Google account. At that very moment, you may not remember your phone's screen lock, or you might have FRP locked your phone. What's the solution for you? We have a solution for you. Tenorshare For You key for Android tool. Let's show you how this tool works. One of the best things about this tool is its clean and user-friendly interface. As soon as you open the software, you'll see two main options: remove screen lock and remove FRP lock. Simply choose the option that matches your needs. Next, you'll find a list of supported smartphone brands. As you can see, For You key for Android supports a wide range of smartphone brands, including Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, Mi, Huawei, Motorola, Vivo, Realme, LG, Google Pixel, Nokia, Lenovo, ASUS, Tecno, OnePlus, Sony, Infinix, and ZTE. This broad compatibility makes it a practical solution for many different devices. It's especially useful for mobile repair technicians. If a customer brings in a phone because they forgot the screen lock or need FRP removal on a supported device, this tool can help you complete the job quickly and efficiently. With its straightforward workflow and broad device support, For You key for Android can be a valuable addition to your repair toolkit and help you serve more customers with confidence. Just select the brand of the device you want to unlock, and the tool will guide you through the process step by step.
Click on the Start option located here. Click on Yes. Now the tool will tell you exactly what steps you need to follow to successfully reset your forgotten lock. So the very first thing the tool instructs us to do here is to completely power off the phone. If we press and hold both the volume down and power button simultaneously, the phone will then restart. And as soon as the phone powers off and begins to restart, we must continue to press and hold the volume up button so that the phone will open directly into recovery. Now we can factory reset this phone right here using the volume button precisely according to the instructions provided within the tools, exactly as they've been laid out for us, as you can see. Our tools are actually providing us with all the necessary instructions, and then we'll proceed to reboot the phone. Now, once the phone has successfully rebooted and powered on, the phone will have been completely factory reset, and your device's lock will have been successfully unlocked. So this was the method for unlocking your screen lock. But many phones, after a factory reset, you might forget your Google account, then it becomes FRP locked. This tool also offers you the solution to that problem, showing you how to unlock FRP lock in such a situation. I'll now demonstrate how to unlock FRP lock using this very tool. Let's begin. After factory resetting this Samsung phone, I don't remember a Google account, so after clicking Start, if I don't connect to Wi-Fi, it won't proceed to the next step and it won't skip either. And if you connect to Wi-Fi and then click Next, then it will ask for the old Google account you have. Until that's provided, it won't go to the next step. So to unlock this, I'll first connect the USB cable to the computer because I don't remember the old Gmail account. This is the customer's phone. We will now show you the remaining process on the computer, on the PC screen, explaining exactly what you need to do. So I've connected this device to the PC using a USB cable, and by clicking on my computer at the side, we can clearly see that the phone has successfully connected here. So next, we will click on Remove Google FRP right here. Here, the very first option is the universal method, which allows you to try it on all phones. And below, there are several other options available in case the very first one doesn't work. These options are categorized according to the specific versions, and you can certainly try them. So I'll first try the top option by checking it, then click Remove FRP here. It's showing us 3 pictures. The first picture tells us to go to emergency call on our phone. I went to emergency call. The second picture tells us to dial *#0*#. I dialed *#0*#. I typed it in. The test mode will open up. The test mode has now opened up. Go ahead and click on Start. Right here, this is Start, and I've just clicked on Start. Now this tool will completely FRP unlock our phone for us. The tool is now attempting to enable ADB permissions on our mobile phone. As soon as ADB is successfully enabled, you will clearly see that it will ask for ADB permission on your phone. So please make sure to check the box for Allow USB debugging and then click OK. You will need to grant this ADB permission. After that, within the tool's interface, please click OK. Yes, right here, just click OK. Go ahead and click OK. Now the tools will do the rest. We won't have to do anything further. The tools will automatically restart the phone and power it back on. And as soon as the phone is turned on, there will be no FRP lock remaining on it. So I got some, you can clearly see that the phone settings have automatically opened and then the phone has completely shut down. And now after it turned off, the phone is turning itself back on again, meaning it has restarted. So the tool has now confirmed for us that the Google FRP lock has been successfully removed. Now, for all of you who wish to acquire this tool, you will find the download link available in the description and also in the very first comment. You will then be able to easily download the tool from that location. Since this is a paid tool, those who purchase it after watching my video will receive a 20% discount. You'll also find the discount code available in the description and the very first comment. So I highly recommend you give this tool a try. I personally use this tool and it truly works very well. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video all the way to the very end. I'll see you all again next time with a brand new video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.